Hi and welcome back to another tutorial on how to make a track in Logic Pro X. So we've moved forward here slightly with this arrangement here. What I did is copy down the whole arrangement here, and then I'm going to start arranging different parts. So we have now 2 minutes 46. So I'll probably add on another section at the end. Might add a little build up here in the middle. But at the moment, what I want to do is start adding some effects to make this a little bit more interesting. So I was thinking of doing... This is quite a unique way of doing a stutter glitch effect on a vocal, or anything. Actually, it can be a synthesizer, it can be anything you want. So what I'll do here is I'm going to insert a noise gate on this here, right? And what I'm going to do is take the sidechain and take the feed from bus 2, which is my drum feed, and then I'm going to just reduce this a little bit, and here I'll take this up a bit so we can see how that makes a stutter effect straight away. Take the threshold down, then it goes away. So then we can just automate this and have quite a cool effect on the vocal here. So what I mind doing here is joining these two parts here quickly. Find join, join, and then just have like close this for now. Just have this going along here. Just copy this down here and have like an effect on this, which could be quite cool to give it like a kind of effect. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So if I just go here and we can hear this. So what I'll do is I'll automate that, bounce it afterwards, and we'll fade that. So we just keep that there for now. So we know how to do that. That's pretty cool little effect. So just thought I'd show you that. We can do it on other vocals as well. At the moment, I'm just going to do it there. I mean, I'm not going to overkill. If you can notice here, my arrange window is quite full. Just group these here, and we can stack these. Create track stack, and we'll do a folder stack, and we've just got that. Right now, I can control the volume of all my drums here in one go, and we can do the same with the kicks. So just tie this up, and then we just want to check each track, and we just open that up. Then we can just edit and do what we want, but that just hides it away, keeps it in a nice little tidy group. We start getting a lot of elements in your arrange window. That's quite practical. Now, you might notice that here in our mixing section, I've got all my sub mixes here, my buses. Now, they don't show up in my arrange window. Now, the way I get around that is that I activate these. I go read, then they automatically just will come into the arrange window. And then what I do is I rearrange them the way I want, which is down the bottom as if it's at the end of the mixing desk. And then I can just arrange them again, put bass, drum here, and so on. So then we got them back in the same order as the way I had before. Keys, guitars, even though there aren't any guitars, and then voices, and then effects here. So now I've done that. That's kind of now got the arrange window matching what we got in the mixer. I'm going to bring in some effects that I've had a listen to in my Get Down sample folder that Kid Massive sent me. I'll put the link to his sample packs in the info so you can go and check them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring in these effects, and then I'm going to arrange them. So I'll just bring them in. Of course, make sure that we got the smart going to snap regions as absolute value, so then a click to the nearest bar or the nearest measure that we've got here, which is 16. So that won't be sort of like in the middle of a bar, it'll snap direct. So what I'm going to do is just bring these in from my desktop, and then we'll start arranging them the way we want to arrange them. So, sorry, I've got an extra track there, but I might have a couple of tracks just to kind of separate them out a bit. So what I'm going to do is color them the way I like these to be colored, which is this lovely blue color. Then hold down Command and click on the color again, and that will color my track as well. So I'm going to move these up here, which should be, now this is the way my arrangement should look. So I have bass drum, drums, bass, keyboards, vocals, effects. Now these two, I want them to go to my effects bus. So that's number 7 is the effects. And then what I'll do here is I'll bring this down to the output level to -10, and this down to about 9. So that's the way I have my effects. So here I'm just going to put some EQs and compressors on this, and so now just want to concentrate on this and bring this up a bit here, then we can move on. So yeah, we can cut it kind of here. Have it faded in here as well. So it's quite cool. It's nice. Then got like a crash here. I think this is a crash here, yeah. So that we're going to put in with the drums. Up with the drums here on its own track. Here for now. Bring this down. So we'll have a crash there. Put that into 2, the drums. And rename this crash. There you go. I colour it the right colour as well. There you go. So got a crash there now. I think put some kind of long reverb on that as well at one point. Do that straight away. Chrome reverb. Try anything for now. EQ the bottom out of that maybe. And save. So we've got some effects going on here. Let's check these ones out here. This one is got like so that's kind of like a synth effect there, which I think I'll have after. yeah, just bring these up a bit. They're a bit low. Put a bit of gain. So as you can hear, I went back and got my simps out of storage. I went back and got my hidden ones that were here, that were hidden, and I put the right sound names down because I didn't have the right sounds. And so I'm back in MIDI here. I got rid of the bounce ones because I've added here as you can hear, this is giving me a little effect on top here. Can you listen to this? So just give me a bit of a different, bit of a build up to that. So I'm copying down my crash a bit here and just generally add that every kind of 8 bars. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave some comments, and I will see you soon.